Now, Dr. Costin, we've talked about the numbers that you came up with in your economic analysis. Do these numbers relate only to economic losses, or do they relate to anything else?
They don't relate to anything else. In other words, kind of a layman's way to put it, I've basically calculated the value of the 8 hours that you work. There's 16 other hours in the day that you enjoy the benefits of the income that you earn, hopefully, in the 8 hours that you work. And those are called intangible values, and that's up to the jury to decide on those values. I've only calculated values that have finite amounts that can be applied to it, and therefore it is an economic loss. If it's intangible, the price is up to someone else.
Does your economic analysis take into account either something like past or future pain and suffering?
No.
Does your economic analysis take into account any future medical needs that Ms. Arndt couldn't predict, things like the potential complications?
No.
Did your economic analysis take into account loss of enjoyment of life?
No.
Does your economic analysis take
Objection, Your Honor. This is the fourth leading question. I just object.
What can you tell us, Dr. Costin, about the relationship between your economic analysis and what, if anything, Mr. Stephen Hatfield has lost?
Well, that's a hard question. We talk about the value of life. As an economist, I only talk about the economic value of life, and that's basically the paycheck. Whatever else there is, you can't put a value on it. I mean, I, as an economist, can't put a value on it. So I've only done the economic value, not the full value of life.